Kaboom. Look at that. And it's a fiberglass ladder. Don't ever buy an aluminum 6-foot ladder or 8-foot ladder. And I like to get the orange one. They also, you've seen fiberglass ladders like this that are blue and green. The blue one I know doesn't hold as much weight and it's not as sturdy. It's still a fiberglass ladder, but the orange one is a little bit thicker, a little bit heavier, a little bit more sturdy. So I always tend to get the orange ladder, the orange fiberglass ladder, if I ever need a ladder to buy one. Okay, now I've got to put that down in there. This thing's never touched the ground yet. It's always been inside. I only had it for a few months. So when I get done with this, anytime I bring it back in the house, well, I put it in a storage area that's got a kind of a tile-ish wood tile floor, structural wood floor squares, I guess. But if I was going to set this inside on the carpet or something, if I ever need to bring it back, I'm going to have to wipe off the bottom pieces so I don't have mud or dirt or anything else on there. I'm going to have to start, I had that stored inside the house in a storage room. I'm going to have to, now, when I get done with it, I'll have to put it over on the stairs, probably walk it down the stairs, maybe, depending how dirty it is. And I can walk it up into the garage, you know, if I need to do that. See, now I can get in and out of this hole, the pit. And I can knock off those 2x6s once I get down there. So once I get down there, I'll be careful and get these, move them off to the side, and then I'll bend down any nails that I see on the ends of these boards too before I do anything. You know, don't just knock things off and say, oh, I'll just turn the board over, that'll be fine. But then when you have to get it out of here, you've got to turn it upright, or if it gets twisted or something, you step on it. I thought I had the board turned over. Now all of a sudden you've just poked yourself in your foot, or you fell down and put your hand down and gouged right through, pierced your hand, let's say. Fortunately, that has never happened with me just yet. So I'm not going to look at this too much. I'm just going to keep concentrating on my 2x6s. So the next 2x6s I'm going to take off are those. And then I can look at these blocks. I can take these blocks off next. And I've got a little crowbar here. This one's not very strong. You know, it works for roofing, tiles, and different things. I'm going to have to use that. And I got my hammer. And this is just a cheapo hammer, but it's a metal or fiberglass handle, not a wood handle. If that was a wood handle, if I try to rear back of this and try to pry on it, I would snap, have the possibility of snapping the handle off. I've done that before too. And what else am I going to use when I get down there? I have my nail puller somewhere. Oh, here it is. Got my nail puller here. My cat's paw, I call it. And this one's an old one too. Look how rounded off the edges are right here. Some cat's paws almost comes out not to a point, but a lot sharper than that. And then some also have a little in there, which is quite nice for nails on the inside corners and stuff. But hey, this is all I got. And that's what I'm going to end up using to get this stuff off. You see how easy the 2x6 came out on that side? I didn't hit that earlier. That was one that just ripped right off of there. That was one I've been walking on. Jeez. Got a nail right into the stucco there. I can't pry it off. I have to put a block in there to do it. Okay. I used to have a really super long crowbar. That would work perfect for this. And I could split this block in half with my nail puller. Let's see if I can do it. Okay. Now I can give it a go with this again. I gotta make sure, go back down there and knock these nails flat before I forget. Yes. Little by little, I'm getting it. I was gonna wait until I got down there, but I'm gonna hold the tripod in one hand and get down here on this ladder. Take you on down here. Let's see what we can see. All right, I know you're just dying to see. Look at that. Oh, wow. See here, this is from the column. And here's my scratch awl. My fist. See, it's pretty dry in there. Other than this, boy, this side one here, I could push all the way. I could push my scratch all the way in that too.